good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. From whichever corner of the world you're watching, a warm welcome to all of you. I'm your captain, and you're now on a brand new journey in the Vespera Network. Let's step into that world where earning doesn't just mean money, but lots of fun too. Today, we're going to learn how to create an account on Vespera Network, and trust me, it's super easy. So without wasting even a second, grab your phone, sit back, and let's dive straight into the mobile screen. Alright friends, let's begin our amazing little journey today. First, let's head over to the Google Play Store. Now, type Vespera Network in the search bar. And guess what? The very first app that appears, yes, that's our official application. Look here, this is it. I've already installed it, so let's open it right away. Now let's see how to create your account step by step. Once you open the app, you'll see two options. Simply click on Continue with Google, then select your Gmail ID. Next, type your name, title, and email ID carefully. And please don't make any spelling mistakes. Because once your name is registered wrong, you can't change it later. If your name is typed incorrectly, you'll need to create a brand new account. Another important point, you can create only one account per phone. And if you try more than 3 times, the app might stop working on your device. So, better to do it right in one go. Now, here's something funny that many people do. They put their name in both the name and surname boxes. Please don't do that. Write your name where it says name, and your title or surname where it says surname. Next comes the referral code section. You can find my referral code in my bio, and I'll also mention it in the pinned comment below. After that, if you want to verify your ID, you can either keep the same username or choose a new one. It's completely your choice. Now click on phone number, select your country code, and type your number carefully. Next step, enter your date of birth. And boom, your account is ready. See, that was super easy. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll have your Vespera account ready in no time. Smoothly, happily, and with a big smile. Creating an account is simple if you just follow every step patiently and correctly. That's all for today's video. I hope you now know how simple it is to create your Vespera account. Just a few easy steps and you're done. In the next video, we'll talk about what makes the Vespera Network special, why it's stronger than most other projects, and why people like you should join this growing technology. If you face any confusion or problem, feel free to comment below or reach me on Telegram. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay smart, and keep shining with Vespera.